Hi, Julian here from the SERP.net team. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo of our SEO ROI Calculator. As you may know, SERP.net allows you to create your own lists of keywords, regardless of the tools that you use to help you find them. You can create lists of keywords using keywords you found in Ultimate Research, What Ranks Where, or long-tail keywords. Well, we recently added a new feature to our keyword list tool to help you calculate return on investment. You can use this feature to calculate your own return on investment or the return on investment of a potential client, for example. Imagine you want to suggest a list of keywords to one of your potential clients, a list of keywords that they should target and you can help them rank for. Well, you might also want to tell them how much they could potentially make from ranking for these keywords. Pretty sure this will help you convince them to hire you. Let me show you how. To access your lists of keywords, open the Tools menu and click on Keyword Lists under the Keyword Research category. This is where you can access the lists of keywords you created. If you haven't created a list yet, I invite you to watch our video on this topic. As mentioned before, you can create a list of keywords from any of our keyword research tools, Ultimate Research, What Ranks Where, and long-tail keywords. This step is key and you won't be able to use the SEO ROI Calculator if you haven't previously created a list of keywords. Here are a few lists of keywords I previously created. Let's open this one. As you can see, you have access to all sorts of useful information, including search volumes of course, but also trends, cost per clicks, traffic values, pay-per-click competition. You may have noticed the new Show SEO ROI Calculator button located here. Simply click on it, and you will see a few other columns appear, including traffic capture here, which is how much traffic you can expect to capture from ranking for this specific keyword. For example, if you expect to rank first, you could expect to get 70 or 80% of the clicks. Obviously, this also depends on the nature of the keyword, among other things. We have monthly traffic here, which is a search volume multiplied by the traffic capture percentage. So for example, 320 multiplied by 0.7 equal 224, meaning you would expect to get 224 monthly visits from this specific keyword. Finally, we have retail cost here, which is a search volume multiplied by the cost per click multiplied by the traffic capture percentage. In short, that's the cost if you were to spend the same amount on Google Ads. Under this table, we have a few totals, including total search volume, which is pretty self-explanatory. So that's for all the keywords listed in the table above. We have average CPC here, just to give you an idea. This is a total traffic value, which is this number, but for all the keywords listed in the table above. There is also total monthly traffic, which is how much traffic you can expect to capture from ranking for all the keywords listed in the table above. As you would have guessed, it uses the traffic capture values you entered here. Finally, there is a total retail cost. Again, this is just to give you an idea. So the main value here is the total monthly traffic, which will be used to calculate the return on investment. In the table below, we can see that number again under web traffic. It's exactly the same number. Then you need to enter a contact rate, which is the number of people you expect to reach out. For example, if you get 1,000 visits, you could expect to be able to reach out 20% of them by email or phone or whatever. That will be 200 leads in total. Then you need to enter a closing rate, which is the number of deals you expect to close. For example, if you get 200 leads, you could expect to close 25% of them. That will be 50 closed deals. These are just default values. You might need to drastically change them, depending on your business or your potential client's business. You also need to enter a lifetime value, which is the amount of money you expect to make from each customer on average. Once this is done, you will be able to see the return on investment in the form of a monthly value and a yearly value. In other words, if you rank for all these keywords, you will expect to generate that much traffic and to make that much money per year. Same principle if you want to calculate the return on investment for a potential client. For example, you would just need to create a list of keywords you think they should target, enter appropriate values here, and show them the expected return on investment. Alright, that's how you can use SEO ROI Calculator. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to contact our friendly support team by clicking here and on Submit a Ticket.